Okay, so we have a 2008 Ford F-150 that came in for a coolant leak. So we put our cooling system pressure tester on it, noticed that it was leaking right in the middle, right kind of between the engine and the transmission, which is kind of a funny place for them to leak. But it's actually really common on these to leak from the intake. They run coolant through the plastic intake manifolds, which not a great design, but that's just what they decided to do. So I'll show you what the old one looked like. Okay, so this is the manifold that once we removed it, we were able to take a look at it. And this is actually where it was leaking, was right here. As you can see, this plastic piece has been folded over on the manifold right there. You can even just take that out like that. But coolant runs through here and it makes this plastic really brittle. Over time, with high temperatures and pressure, you're gonna wear this stuff out. But the new one looks just like this. And as you can see, it's a good solid port on both sides, here and here. So we'll bolt this up and it'll be good to go for a while. So this is common enough that we've done quite a few of these, probably more than I can count on one hand, two hands. I had the luxury of learning it the hard way. One day I took one of these manifolds off, I got everything cleaned up, resealed and put back on, but I still had a coolant leak going on. So I ended up taking the manifold back off just to find out that the block itself was actually pitted. And it was so pitted that these rubber seals could no longer seal it. And in that moment, we had to get a new cylinder head. And so sometimes there's unforeseeables. You don't know until you get it off. And if you're not paying really close attention to what you're doing, it's easy to miss stuff. So this is just one of those common things that we know about. And usually we're having a conversation beforehand of, now there might be more to this. We know that these are some common issues. So this could be something that we're faced with, but we don't really know until we get in there. So.